Good morning, Bhaktavachalam. Today we are going to see the importance of drinking water. Our short term and long term goals. Short term goals, each week drink 10 to 200 more than the week before. Each week drink less soda. Long term goals, continue to drink recommended amount of water. Stop drinking soda. Let's see the what percentage of our body is water. Like how much percentage the body and the body particle should have. Body 70%, blood 85%, brain 80%, muscles 75%, and cells need 90% of water. The all people have the doubt regarding how much water is enough per day. From morning to night, at least we should cover 8 glasses of water in a day. So weight loss is the important point in public sector. Like the researchers saying, estimating over the course of a year, the person who is concentrating on the weight loss, if they increase their water level 1.5 liters means they are ready to burn their calories up to 17,000 calories, 15 to 17,000 calories. Hence, the 1.5 liters habitat of water will helps to weight reduction. So the key point of weight loss, like the removable fat from the body, commonly the surplus of water drinking will helps to weight reduction as well as removing the unwanted stagnate in the body. So hence the advisable is once you drink the water, if you are hungry also no issue, just wait for 20 to 30 minutes to process in the body for water contamination. So it will helps to fat deposits, reducing the fat deposits. So advantages of drinking water in the morning, it will helps to glowing skin externally, and internally it will cleanse your toxins and it will remove your haunch, and it will increase your body metabolism and will helps to digestion and absorb the nutrients. So drinking the water in the morning in the empty stomach, it will boost your immunity and it will increase your digestion system and it will absorb the nutrients to the body. So externally and internally the morning drinking water is good to health. So dehydration effects is very important point. So heavy impact is there in your body externally and internally, especially it will lose your hair and stomach pain and dehydration and muscle cramps. Those all the things will happen, and joint issues and migraine issues like head pain, these issues will start. These are the basic issues. By continuation of consumption of water, non-consumption of water will provide you a lot of troubles. So generally people know 90% of water is contaminated in the body, but why do we need water? Some important points are there. It helps in compasses 75% of brain and helps to carry nutrients and oxygen to the cells, and moistures oxygen for breathing, helps convert food into energy, products and cushions to vital energy, helps to absorb nutrients, make up 75% of muscles, and internally it will increase your digestion system and remove the toxins. So hence lot of the 99% of internal issues will be avoided by drinking water. So lungs is the main important of breathing system. So to carry over the oxygen more and release the carbon dioxide, this water intaking is helping. and as well as in the digestive tract and in the lungs. It will help to remove the allergies and asthma issues. And we think why asthma has come. One point, this important of consumption of water, those who are not consuming the water, they will go into the lungs issue, asthmatic issues and digestion issues. To maintain your body temperature, water is the best contamination. So as per research, must drink a much water in winter as in summer. They are saying that 3% water loss can result in health problems and 15% water loss can result in death. So kindly intake more water. So our brain and water. So brain is contains of 90% of water. When we are not drinking the proper water, your thinkings and the energy, the brisk energy will be less down in the brain. When you are drinking well, the boost of immunity in the brain will be good. Less water decreases energy generation in the brain. Here we have an important point regarding the cardiac issues like heart and water. Your heart and water. What they are saying, the heart contains of 70% of water and blood contains 85% of water. Because the people who is drinking in the morning, in the early morning, in the empty stomach, the people who are consuming the water, they are providing from cardio arrest, like cardio issues, heart block, and the heart block will be reduced by drinking the water. So what they are saying, the consumption of water will resolve the cardiac issues. Kidney is the important part which purify your blood, the wastage. So the wastage will be taken and it sent out through the urination. By dehydrating, by like less drinking of water habitat, those persons' kidneys will accumulating the recycles dirty water to remove waste from the blood will be very critical. So intaking is not an important matter. The outgoing, the wastage, the digestion particles should not be in stomach. It is very dangerous thing. So this water will improve your proper digestions and it will remove your toxins also. The hydration can reduce the producing the heartburn, acid, stomach and gas formation in the stomach and constipation. And the dehydration can cause weight gain, poor muscle tone, stiffness, and it will take the muscle stiffness happens means next it will take it to a muscle injuries, strain. So joints is the important part, the flexion and extension which happens in your joints. So joints is helping to move for any directions, different kind of directions. So this joints, in every joints in the middle we have some lubrication things. That lubrication things will increase the elasticity to move the knee in any kind of position. So the people who are not drinking the proper water, the elasticity, the lubrication will be very less amount in the joints. Hence, if the joints is not moving properly, those kind of people will go into the arthritis and osteoarthritis disease. So let we come to the final conclusion. We have see how the water is playing an important role in your body and what are the degrades in your body. So water is important. Without water we are not there. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Good day.